Oh my gosh!
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am with my little brothers and Brock and Boston.
What's up?
And we are going to be filming a slime video. We're going to be making slime, but it's not going to be our choices of slime. We're going to have different options for each round, and some options might be gross looking, some options might be amazing, and the people who are going to be choosing for us are these two. We will have our eyes closed while they give us an ingredient to the slime that we're going to start first. We can't look, and they cannot say the colors of what we're going to do. So, should we start on the first round?
Yeah. Let's do it.
First round. Okay,
Let's
the
go.
first round we will be this green Elmer's glue, this sparkly blue, and this sparkly pink.
And they're glow in the dark too,
Awesome. We will close our eyes while Az and Canyon put the slime in front of us. Az and Canyon, you ready, set, go. Okay, let us know when you're done.
Done.
Done?
Done.
Oh, look at this! I got green.
We got blue.
I got you.
Oh yeah. And it's glow in the dark. Awesome.
So we're going to put these in our giant bowls in front of us. Kiko, want to squeeze it? Squeeze.
Oh,
Do you want to do it?
Yeah.
Wee! Oh, now I think Brock needs some help. I
Okay,
just
you
got it
squeeze.
all over my hand. Look at that.
My slime's gonna be
awesome. We could put the bottles down.
Ooh.
Next round will be even more glitter. Blue glitter glue.
Oh yeah.
Purple glitter glue and pink glitter glue.
Done.
Canyon and Az, are you ready? Set, go. Go, 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 go. Oh,
Choose a
there's
good one.
not a bad
Choose a
color.
good one,
So,
please.
I'm done. We're
we open our eyes.
done.
One, two,
Yeah. Oh, I already opened my eyes.
purple. I don't know if purple's gonna look
We
like
got
green.
more blue. Wow. So far, my slime is doing good.
So far, I think my slime is gonna be quite gross.
This actually looks so cool. Yeah, you should show
I know.
That's so sick. You want me to help you?
Yeah.
Is that enough, Kiko,
Okay,
or do I
it might
should
be-
I get more out?
That's a lot.
Hey, it doesn't look bad so far.
Ours looks perfect. Cool. Ours looks like
A glittery
ocean. A glittery ocean.
A glittery ocean.
We have
and
a
when
pink
it's in
fiesta.
the dark, it's glow.
My purple doesn't even
Here,
show
you
up,
can
it's
mix it.
just
You can mix
green.
it.
The next round is colors that is like actually clear glue that I put food coloring in. I'm not gonna tell what colors they are yet because I don't know if Az and Canyon are choosing colors together. I'm gonna have them just give out the colors, okay?
Okay.
Here's one of them. Here's the other one of them. And here's the other one of them. Should we close our eyes? Ready?
Yeah.
Go.
Okay.
Close your eyes, close your eyes. Az and Canyon, mix them around, choose wisely. Ooh.
Done.
Done.
Sweet.
Oh. I got purple.
Ours is cool.
Yours
We got like the
Boston
maple
got
syrup.
brown.
Oh, whoa, look how this one looks. This one looks so sick.
Ours look like the same.
No. Oh, yeah, they do.
And we have
Mine's
to
a
do
little bit more purple.
Oh.
It's black.
It's black.
This is going to look cool. To stir it. Stir it. Stir it.
That's disgusting.
This is going to look
Whoa, ours looks good. Ours looks really good.
I don't think yours is gonna look like a little.
I know, it's not gonna look like an
Not
Not for long. Ooh.
So mine isn't
That's
going to be
really
coloring
cool
one because that's not the glue
purple.
we have.
Dark,
It's just
remember?
sparkly green with a little tint of blue, purple in it.
We're gonna have to be
Look,
cool in the
how-
dark.
The
We can
slightest
place it in
tint.
the slime.
This is mine, and that's theirs. Theirs is like gray.
I know.
I don't know if that's gross or cool. Next round is smelly lotion, so it'll make your slime smell really good. Lotion that doesn't really smell, and then shaving cream that just makes it super puffy. So, Az and Canyon, choose wisely. Ready, set, go. Go, 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 go.
I'm already choosing that one as give it to me. Give it to me.
How about you do it together?
Sounds like they're making it a deal.
They're like arguing over it.
So that's when you're done.
Ready? We're gonna open our eyes, so you better
Done.
finish. Oh,
Done.
ready, go.
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 Sweet.
I got the lotion.
We got lotion. Oh, yeah.
Shaving cream. Ready?
They're doing you shake it up.
Whoa!
We need a cleaner.
My slime is
Can you
still looking
stir?
green.
Let me
It just
stir.
looks a
How
little
fast?
bit lighter.
Whoa, this is going to be cool. Look at
Where's the
how
glitter?
cool it is.
Oh yeah.
Look,
Whoa,
it's turning
the glitter's
light.
That looks so
Purple.
The next round is the stuff we put in to activate it. There's only two here, as you can see. One of these things you're gonna have to give to two people.
Let's do it. Okay, let's close our eyes.
Go, 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 go.
You.
And
Open.
Oh, I got lotion. So we're gonna use this.
we get this. Okay, let's open it up.
There we go.
We'll do little by little of the activator, okay? Oh no, our spoon almost fell. Here, don't hold this for me.
Okay.
And then we'll just pour in a little bit.
Mine's turning into slime.
Okay, mix it a little bit.
Splash.
You want to add a little bit more?
Oh, stir is flashing.
You can add it.
Whoa, that is
It's
fun.
actually activating,
It's a little
he says.
sticky.
It's getting there. It's getting there.
Should we add just a little bit more?
We're trying to get ready for Endgame, which we're going to see.
Ooh.
Which I'm so excited.
Oh.
Mine actually feels gross.
Wait, Weston, is this a sign of too much activator or? Yeah, look at our slime. It's just so stringy.
Oh my gosh.
Really? Like, it doesn't come together. It doesn't come together.
I think that's because of all the activator.
Yeah.
See, mine's kind of stringy too. Like in the inside, look at that.
Uh-huh.
It's weird. It keeps like popping when I touch it. Like popping, not like sensation.
Uh-huh. ASMR. Even though it may not have the coolest color, it's still amazing.
Really cool.
I think even then the gray isn't too bad looking. It's pretty cool.
Yeah,
I know.
I don't
we
know.
need to put it in here.
It does have a lot of activator in it. You might need to
Let's
add
put
some
it
of like
in.
more.
I feel like doesn't lotion
no,
make it stretchy?
Lotion does make it stretchy, but with this, it's just there's so much activator in it that
Yeah.
the glue itself.
Look how.
Yeah.
We'll trust a slime
Glue.
expert on this one. I know.
Put it
Danielle is
in.
the best at
Put
making
it
slime.
in.
Some blue glues. Would you rather keep trying on those or just
This one there, I
camera.
Okay, I'll
I
get this
know,
one try
even
then really
there.
fast and just put this in.
What if we combine all of our slime
And
at
try
the
to help
end?
you out.
Whoa, that would be
Should we?
amazing.
Should we do that?
Yeah.
do that?
Combine all of them?
Ginormous.
Combine all the
Last
slime.
one to
Have
have the side
all
at
the
the
good.
end,
Last
guys.
one to make the best slime.
Comment
So
down below
us-
if you think we should combine all of our slimes
Wait.
together. Liquid
Show you
starch
this.
is so much better to work with than borax.
And it gets longer.
Borax. That's the
It's
stuff
borax.
you use.
I know, it's so
Danielle,
look how coming the front.
Dude,
Here, yeah,
liquid
look
starch
at
is
this.
amazing. I love
It's so stretchy. Watch this gonna fall apart. I can go around the whole entire counter.
it. He goes around the whole house.
Here.
Whoa.
Last round we are
Put
going
it
to
in,
do
put it in.
add-ins like these beads,
It can now stretch.
Oh,
these
yeah, it
beads,
can.
and like one of these sequin bags. So, Gigo and Az, you are going to, with our eyes open this time, you're going to hand us one of these bags. So, you decide who gets who. Ready, set, go.
I think I saw it.
I had my eyes open the whole time.
I closed my eyes.
Oh,
yay!
So I will do
We get yay.
gold sequins. I'm gonna do gold sequins.
Okay.
Oh yeah, that's good.
Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
It
this
does.
is yours.
I'm putting sequins in mine.
We're gonna make a hole and then we're gonna put the beads inside of it, so then they'll be easier to mix.
Man, I thought just one
Okay, so
bag
we're
of
gonna
sequins would
stop.
be good, but
Stop.
it's not mixing.
There we go.
Okay.
There's only a few sequins. Look, ready?
Here you go. Get all these beads in it.
Whoa.
Yours reminds me of like an
I know.
elephant. It reminds me of an
It
elephant.
reminds me of Eeyore, I feel like.
It does.
The color,
like
the gray.
It reminds me of an elephant or Eeyore. This is how
Would
mine
know
looks
which
right now with all
where.
the sequins.
I am.
Okay, me and Az are gonna stretch it out to see how big it gets.
We're getting
There it goes. There it goes.
Oh, whoa. Oh my gosh.
It's ripping. Ready? Mine's pretty much done.
You can
Let's
hear
test.
all of the bubbles pop. That's such a good song.
AMSR.
So wait, this is what we should do. We should flatten it out and then we put them in.
Ready? Bubble time. If I can do it. No, I failed. I failed totally.
Okay. Keep doing it.
Oh, that was a lot of beads.
Yeah, I think we're
Guys,
good.
but we should have everyone on all sides. Everyone on all sides should do it.
Yes!
Do you guys
Let's
want to do it?
mix all the slimes and see if it works.
Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's do it.
Oh, wait, it's gonna pop. It's gonna pop. Here, wait.
Oh, bubble.
This is so satisfying.
That was unsatisfying. Oh, we just ripped the bubble.
This is so good. Oh, Gigo, yours looks so good.
I know, it's so awesome.
It's getting so bubbles.
Okay.
Stretch it
So,
out.
are you guys ready with your?
Do you wanna put?
Oh,
Let's put
guys,
some of these on
guys,
there.
look.
Ones that fell.
Oh my god.
Yeah. Get all these ones.
I'm thinking that we should mix them all now.
Yeah,
Do
let's mix
that?
it.
Okay, ready? Put them all together right here. Right here.
Okay, all in the middle.
Right here. Put them all right here. Ready, Gil? Put on top.
Oh.
Mix it.
All right, third
Put
layer.
it in.
Put it on top.
Whoa.
This is going to be really stretchy.
It's gonna be a weird color.
I know. Let's see what the color is. Guess the color down
Guess
below.
the color. Ready? I'm guessing it's gonna be like.
I'm guessing it's gonna be like a green. It's gonna be green gray.
Green gray something. It's gonna
How about we let one person mix really fast?
Yeah.
So there's not arms everywhere. Mixing. Gigo, here, I'll mix really fast since I'm
And we all mix.
a little faster than that. Look, see, this is how it looks. Let's see how far. Okay, ready?
Yeah, everyone grab it. Everyone grab a side.
Whoa. This is going to be.
Here,
Oh, this
Rocky,
looks
grab
like a
right there.
mermaid.
Oh my gosh!
We should do that again.
Wait,
I feel like it's like a mermaid color, like a
Yeah.
or like a sea.
it's like a sea-ish green look.
Yeah, it's so cool.
It's so cool, guys.
Ariel's
Comment down below of what color you would like. If this was a color with a name, what do you think the name would be? Anyway, guys, thank you so much for watching this video.
I
Please leave
call
a big
this
thumbs up and
the green
subscribe if you
blue
haven't
brown.
already.
Yeah.
What?
I would call this the green blue brown.
The green, blue, brown.
brown.
Don't
Oh,
rip
yeah.
it. Thank you so much for watching, and always remember that it's a great day to have a great day, and
Yeah!